Did you know that 94% of malware arrives disguised as innocent files? That invoice.pdf in your email could be a ransomware. That vacation.jpg from a friend could be a banking Trojan. But what if you could see through the disguise? Introducing Grae-X Magic Eye, the world's first African Cyberpunk Scanner. It doesn't just look at file names, it X-rays the actual file content using magic byte. Happens when I download what looks like a PDF file, but the actual file is a JPG file. You can see now I was able to detect some threat in my PC, right? In my personal computer. What happens was I actually changed a JPG file to a PDF extension, and that from the command line interface, I was able to see the extension ends with JPG, and I just added PDF, making it already a threat to my computer because that is how a hacker might use, different extensions to blind the file they are sending to you. The use of this tool is once you launch this tool, you can be doing anything on your computer, but it monitors in the background. Once it gets something, you see the screenshot I have here. That's exactly what you will see. And you just need to move to your dashboard, the monitoring dashboard, which is this. You can now see I have 5 files scanned, I have 5 files detected, and zero of the files is safe because it only detects files that have been like are threatening your PC, right? They're threatening your device at that moment. So what you need to do right now is you just need to go to GitHub, you download this tool, run it in your local PC as a local software, and you can be doing whatever you're doing. But whenever you try to download, or if there is a file in your computer that is a threat to your system, it detects automatically and shows you the file the same like you see on my screen. You just need to go ahead and delete the file. This is how easy it is to use this tool. If you want to use this tool, if you want to launch this software locally, the first thing you need to do is go to this GitHub repo. You can click the link in this video description, it takes you directly to this repo. You can click on the green button, which is very visible. You're going to see the HTML code. You can copy this to just use your command line interface to download the code directly into your PC, or you can just click on this download button, access it from your file manager, you extract it and start using the tool. If you're using WP, if you're using a command line interface, I would prefer you just use the git clone command to download everything. Once you download, use the readme section to see the same steps you're supposed to take for this tool to launch in your PC. If you love this tool and want us to bring out more amazing tools like this, you can follow us on all social media platforms. Follow us on Kick at Greyboy and all other social media platforms because we drop amazing tutorials on tech tools and different tech ideas every day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.